This is at McNeil Hall at Colorado School of Mines. Yeah.
KSS 1-4. Hit the down and see how it blinks. It doesn't.
Yeah, it's an older Kone, I think. I remember Nagel used to do that.
A lot of them do that. The ones at the school do that. At my school, see them.
Huh. At your building?
At the student conference building.
Oh. I don't think I've seen this variety of VR
indicator.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen it in the door like that.
This looks like the newer 140 maybe.
Does it have the not weird looking?
Oh, apparently you can just open the other side.
Oh yeah, it has the different
P1
brails.
and P2. Let's see, what's P1?
Oh wait, this is actually
because that's P2. There's a P1.
Strange layout here.
Go to P4.
Oh, there's one here too.
We can both watch an indicator.
My phone doesn't like the
Those.
yeah, it does the thing where it kind of like
Flashes. Your refresh rate.
Yep.
They must have EDU roam here. I just got disconnected from my video because of that.
Oh yeah, same here. It does that for me at Boulder too.
Well, it shut off the video. I'm gonna have to retake this.
Oh, that's annoying.
You know, it's fine though.
Back to where were we? P2?
We were L2, which is the same floor as P2.
I see.
But I'm gonna have to redo this video now.
We got time.
Actually, I could have kept that fixture
Picture.
Yes, I would restore that. And I don't have to get one. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna redo the video because I'm just gonna dump the Wi-Fi connection because they must have EDU room here. You know, EDU room is cool, but it's like,
Yeah,
you know,
it's annoying.